Welcome to the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable. And this now that Ogbonge politics discussion show as it hot every Friday na concussion, jollof or asaro episode based on say all the Ogbonge tori wey happen this week. We go carry am, drop am down, talk am the way anything be for body, give you license to chook mouth inside and talk am so that those when the leaders go do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. My name na Ezogo Chokwode. And as usual, I know they're alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabi well as they concern the politics matter as it hot.
Yes, a beautiful Friday morning to our wonderful viewers where they watch us right now. Now, the sequel edition of our program as the hot now we don't carry coming out the month. Where we go give now all the information of what we'll talk about from Monday. Reach yesterday will be Thursday, so that at least for those of our viewers who don't fit join us now, if we contribute today. Make now also bear in mind, so we'll go open our telephone line for now, so that at least any of the lines we don't like, we not do it, we not call. We'll also get toll free line for that way that we'll call free because the payment and now we go take care of that one. My name never still change. My name is Nkubi. And this is now as it hot.
As we do every Monday with TNI Lawn, come out on top of all of the action story when we carry come from weekend. And we carry 5 stories when they come up plenty smoke come. The first one we'll get to do now with the 86 naira 50 kobo or nothing based on the NLC and FG quarrel over the new pump price. Everybody go remember, say, for inside our country, the Minister for Petroleum come out, come talk, say, okay, make we check the way anything they go. Say, be like, say, the country, things on the hard us based on, say, we know if we get Forex. They come talk, say, the way anything go there. Anybody who want to participate inside the business, make you enter inside. Source for your own Forex, come get the crude, as in they get them, come back inside Obodo Nigeria, come sell them. They come put caps, say, 145 naira, 9 people go to sell them. But NLC will be the umbrella joint body of all the workers them for inside Obodo Nigeria. Come and talk, say, get some kind of things we're supposed to put in place to use cushion the effect of the suffering when Nigerians go suffer based on the new price. They come talk and say, if government no reverse to the price of 86 naira 50 kobo, say by Wednesday, that is this Wednesday when pass, so and they go embark on top of strike. We got the next one we get to do with the promise of the APC-led federal government, say 5,000 naira go there every month for 1 million of the poorest poor Nigerians. People they ask, say, which day they go give dates? When people go begin to collect this money, I mean, just ordinary mouths that they talk about. The government don't come and talk, say, based on the promise when they give the people before the election, after the election, and now when they don't enter inside office, say they don't say plenty Nigerians, they suffer. This 5,000 naira soon and very soon. The poorest poor, 1 million of them every month, will begin to receive this one. We also talk about the security summit when we say the Prime Minister and President of France carry waka enter inside Obodo Nigeria, meet with Oga Presido and several African countries when we say they the Lake Chad Basin, when we say Boko Haram Jaguda badness, they affect. They come to say, now time to go to the next level. After Boko Haram Jaguda badness, how we go take for resettle people when we say then they save? How do we put things in place? How do we reconstruct? How do we ensure say those when they internally displaced persons camps, they go come back to their homes and they go live like normal people again. From there, we go enter inside the Niger Delta. And the one when we say the Niger Delta Avengers draw here, give government say 2 weeks. Make all the oil workers them or the oil majors when they come up from inside their community. Say by the time when they start their badness, everybody go carry their load, come out. We come top them up with the one when we say Oga President come out, come talk, say, he go call the register of all the people when we say don't chop money through backyard for inside this country on the 29th of May. We wait. When we start this discussion, you go hear them as it hot.
Yes, straight off from Monday to we'll do it in we'll go enter straight into the same last this story which you could drop now about Oga Presido doing waiting, calling out the register of people somehow calling out the register of people who say wasting money but don't return them. He can also talk say look saying go call the names and we call the act say if you go call names, China there go end. Okay, we don't say, okay, if you don't call names, what's going to be the next thing we will go follow? Other people where they involved, due processes, should have to just call names, say, okay, and you go allow the people go. I mean, to call them in the end, we could still see due process. When I mean due process, okay, the right set of people like the court and every other person following up on that same thing, we could also know the end of this matter. And this now, what we'll talk about on Tuesday. But right about now, we'll do it. We'll quickly enter for this quick break because we'll get one of Bunga guests who will join us very soon. And we could go for this break when they come.
Welcome back to Acid Hot. Ezugu Chukwu, the Nkubide inside studio. And we get one Ogbonge visitor when we say we don't track her down since, but she don't carry waka come today to follow us, discuss all of the action today when we carry come today. And they talk of one person when we say, if you wake her up from sleep, you give her $1 million US, come carry chalk or marker put. He go collect the chalk based on say she like to dey teach, she like to dey educate. But he go still collect the money after. But he go first collect the chalk right for board before he collect the money, or use calculate for board to show say the money complete. And he talk of no other than Rhoda Odigo. And Rhoda Odigo na curriculum theorist and co-founder the Learning Craft. Welcome to Ask It The Hot.
Thank you.
Madam
Thank
Rhoda,
you,
welcome.
Chukwudi. Thank
I say this one way
you.
sit down you body like make look like echo the cashew. But we go share to our based on say make the heat, make the hotness been go round. We don't drop 2 action stories from waiting we carry come this week. We don't do Monday, we don't do Tuesday. Now to go straight into Wednesday. Everybody inside Obodo Nigeria know say on Wednesday, the 18th of May, say the Nigeria Labour Congress, the joint body of all the workers inside Obodo Nigeria. Now that day they put say if the government don't revert to 86 naira 50 kobo from the 145 naira, come enter into negotiation, begin to do some kind of things. Say all the workers inside of Obodo Nigeria, then go down their tools, come embark on strike. But if we do plus or minus, today na the 3rd day of the strike. But the kind weight when we say the thing get on that first day, it just be like say some people they don't talk say we don't suffer reach one level. If we can't add this strike on top, it go be like person when we say chop finish, can they collect fruits to use the thing make it digest well. But the federal government and the NLC they in negotiation, and we dey hope say with the one when we say the legislature based on the Senate President and the Speaker of the House of Reps, say they don't enter inside the matter, say they go settle the issue quick. When we enter the main discussion, you said go here the matter, they go ask it.
Yeah, straight up. We went straight to Thursday, will be yesterday. What we'll talk about. Where we'll tell us, say one of the Chibok girls we miss, say they don't find them, and her name na Amina Dashi Nkeke. And they talk say somehow, then for somewhere around Sambisa, and now they do it in one of those hunters, and do it, find them, can't do it, can't hand them over to the to JTF, maybe this thing with the athletes, would also joint fight the insurgents. Because the question comes say at least we don't see one person. What will be the next way go follow suit as we don't see Amina. What will be the next step where our government go feed do to also ensure say the rest of the girls at least to then come back to their home. And the same thing Amina also talks say summer 6 out of those girls don't do it and don't buy. But then that one still no go stop us from not making the right moves to do it to ensure say all the girls we miss. Everybody will means at least reunite with their destiny, with their parents. But in the same vein, we could also add up. Okay, we'll go add up this one later because another good news also come up. Say yes, and that girl. Say don't discover and that girl. Say don't find and that girl. But we'll go enter into details when that time reach. Now what we'll talk about yesterday will be Thursday. Be that.
We don't hear all our action story from Monday go reach Thursday. Based on the way we do them every Friday. After the jollof from Monday to Thursday, we go drop small chops because if you serve person jollof, you don't serve small chops. President Muhammadu Buhari somehow fit probe you. Make we drop some of this action to now when they carry first for our news. This one just be like warning. We don't go to waste time on top of the discussion, but we just talk like warning. As the Auditor General of our federation don't come and talk say, say the River Niger, the thing don't they dry you. He talk say that River Niger when they dry so now. By the time when we say the thing go set, say that 110 million people now in the thing go affect. And not be just inside Obodo Nigeria. It cuts across several countries for inside this Obodo Africa. In context, say the earlier we begin to solve this issue, say the better for us. In putting in warning further, in context, say the issue of herdsmen, say that they find where their cattle go graze or where they go drink water, follow for all these resources when we say they deplete. Now English, that is the thing they come out. Say if we not do things now to address this particular issue, just like when they first raised this issue 10 years ago, and say the thing will cause problem for inside this our country. But the government itself don't they put things in place, and we go support the government when we say they don't look situation cause say they won't solve them, so that in the nearest future the thing will cause problem for we when we grow old and our children when go come. Another story get to do with the one when we say they cause tension inside the Niger Delta. You get some kind of new boys when they come out now. They come talk say the one when we say Niger Delta Avengers they do. Say that one is small. They talk say they are home by the time when they start, it go be like say they mix pepper, they mix them with heat. Come mix them with fire, come put them for the eye of Nigeria government. They call themselves the Red Egbesu Water Lion. People come and come, they beg them, say, make una not do all these kind of things now. If una they destroy una community, una immediate community, and the thing they affect Nigeria. Now all of us inside this country they affect. We know say una get grievances, but you get the way when we say una go fit channel am, make the thing no cause problem. We'll come top am with the final one. Miss Sarah Luka say they come rescue her based on the work when we say our soldier people then they do. This will not bring the number of rescued girls to 2 out of 219. If you do plus or minus 219 minus 2, it means that 217. And if you check the 6 when we say Amina talk say she did very, very sure say they don't buy, it means that the number don't reduce. We they want to make our government do the right thing to use ensure say if it's possible to bring these girls them back home, they go bring them back home. And this one a way of saying because I know say one of our former president chief Olusegun Obasanjo, he be talk and say no how. Based on the military intelligence when he get and the experience, say they don't be see these Chibok girls. But Baba, where you there for Ogun State now? Not be say shame.
And apart from that, since we also get strong confirmation from people like Amina, we talk say, look, so those girls still there. Can't even if he go as far as even giving us a record of say, okay, out of these girls, so see the number we don't do it. We don't. But I tell you say yes, so true. We supposed to get faith in say in the fact that yes, these girls they still there with them. Now for us to do it, just speed up our action to do it, to bring them back to their parents, make them feel reunite with them.
Very,
so you know,
very
pass like that.
Our Ogbonge visitor, I know say this particular story, the thing will concern you because plus or minus, if they check your name. If we can't check the geopolitical zones for Nigeria, I know say that around that kind of area, now you there, even though the country belongs to all of us. This particular issue when we say this Niger Delta people, our brothers for Niger Delta, and then they do say, okay, they won't spoil the way when things they go. They don't like that they suffer too much. They don't like the way anything they take go. I want to ask, share that the right way to go about this? You know they happy. You can't decide, okay, make the thing cuckoo spoil. I mean, make we sit down for table, get sincere discussion, tell ourselves the truth to move this our country forward.
No, the truth be say, these people get real worries. Their environment, they bad. And many times, then they try to see how they want to react to this poverty where they are around them. Sometimes, many of them no sabi how to react. So if one person come up, begin agitate, make others join them, it's easy to grab people, make them join them. Because education, where then they go through, no good. Their environments where they go use survive, even a small things, where they feed to. So now frustration they bring them come up. And the only thing we need to do now to go back to the drawing table, ask ourselves, what do we need to do in terms of community development? How can we help these people? What we go do? Make we find a way to get them, make them come out come out. Begin find productive work.
Exactly. Rather than say
they fight, they cause problem.
So the real problem is still there on top of governance, from local government or communities.
Mrs. Woda, you say this your voice, self. Me, as I do like this now, I know say I get for the two of us who sit down here now. I know say I get conscience. As you don't talk, me when we say get conscience, my heart not already melt. I can't speak of the people who give us 145 naira per liter. Carry the strike story. Now take them. It's your story. You are the one that put us in this now. You promised us 45 naira. Now you are giving us.
Hold on. Respect the fact that we get guests.
Okay.
And the guests will at least you always talk say woman, why say get respect, but you don't show say no get respect for woman.
I just talk the truth. I say her voice even melts my heart. Even
melt your heart. Now you talk like this. Take it easy, young man. At least, I dey calm. I'm being a gentleman in this case.
Okay.
So act like one.
You are being a not okay.
No, just take a easy.
Okay.
I beg. Madam Rhoda, straight up, we will enter into the strike matter.
Thank you.
We hear say we just put it this way. Say we don't hear this say yes, so they will go strike. They will go strike after the increase of fuel from 86 naira to this thing to 145 naira. Okay, we can bring them down. If this particular set of people we say we're supposed to channel the cause of say they won't do it, they won't strike, then get division. Because if you look at it, you can see there are two factions we get for NLC. Where the people will come hold on to or will come stick to, so okay, you'll see the people who they really fight for our cause. And we can also join them to ensure that at least that cause they fight for, we'll see the results.
My brother, distrust. Distrust.
See it? I said it.
No, don't bring it. Let her, she's the one answering the question.
Okay. No, if NLC we're supposed to champion this cause, they divided. What do you want to make the people believe? Nobody go come out. Nobody trust the stem. Nobody trust say if then go carry them through. Don't forget say 2012. Say we come out.
Oh, yes. Did they come out?
Thank you very much.
Then come out. No. Ojota.
Now, Madam Rhoda, they have
Senator where?
Wait.
Governors where?
Respect
if you be senator.
Madam Rhoda, continue.
Okay.
2012.
Then come out.
Everybody come out. Wetin can't happen from 2012 to
Reach now.
Thank you.
Thank you. A very strong
Wetin be
question.
the difference?
Thank you.
That time, it be like United Front. Now it be the basic difference.
You just
Now,
the same set of people. They champion what they happen now.
Thank you.
now things don't change.
And
Nobody believes the system. Nobody trusts. Nobody feels say at the end of the one we will do for 2012. People still they ask the question: wetin we achieve?
Thank you.
At the end of that.
Thank
Wetin
you.
we
That journey. For days we day, not we day for house.
Thank
Some
you.
people suffer no be small.
Thank you.
In that period. So this
And
time,
other people don't come now,
this
come on
period-
top of that suffering.
This period, the
Thank you.
suffering they even worse.
Oh, I said it. I said
you
it.
don't do it. What did you say? What did you say?
I said
what
it.
did you say?
I've been saying it
we know
here.
the issues we'll get in house.
Which issue?
As
You
a
won't ask
country.
question. You don't even ask question about people when we say they say the country is broke. Oh, wait, oh, we agree.
No, no.
Excuse me, let me land now. Let me
Don't
land.
do it, don't do
Let me land. The country is broke. Who could be? How many planes they our presidential fleet? The country.
You should not be asking me that question.
How
Because
will I not be asking the
I
question?
know they're among the
How will I not be asking the
presidential
question?
team.
Who could be? All these people when they government, they don't ever complain when they say their salary no complete or the thing come late.
Chukudi.
Don't call my name. Answer the
We get Madam
question.
Roda here.
Oh, you are using her to dodge now.
No.
No, you are using her to dodge.
Make we respect the woman we get for her.
Okay, no problem.
Make we get the woman after Madam Roda continue. What me all these ones now?
Thank you. Use her to escape. Continue.
So the thing we say now, suffering they too much.
Thank you.
And distrust follow. And these two things, when they join together,
That
it
is
no fit work.
the back. You know the
It
you know
no
the good
fit
at
work.
all.
Thank you.
the woman where they sell something for market, daily, now day by day, now she they see.
But then, make we also bring out, if all these things dey very, very visible, okay, we see a particular set of people say we champion a course for 2012. Say this thing, when I want to go federal government, it dey wrong. Because now the people it go affect. We can't see the same the same set that we can't go behind the curtain. Okay, me I know you stand, but no stuck and say behind the curtain. Because they champion the course right now. Say they don't feel the pains of the people that time. Compared to, I mean, they feel the pains of the people that time. But right about now, we say the black say the pains don't brought in. You just like say, someone said, we're talking about a thing of self-interest, that now their own personal
Or use
interest.
hypocrisy. Because that's what fits you people. Use it.
You know,
Don't be missing words. Make it they talk the two way. Now the one thing the first people where they be that is you want to ask question.
Why you bring in hypocrisy?
Why you dey make up the question? Why are you making up the question? Shey be say hypocrisy in 2012. See what you wanna do. In 2016, see what you do.
Now, Madam Roda asked
Okay,
question.
thank
Madam
you.
Roda.
You see, say if we dey trace the history, make we look am carefully because that time, all of us be like say we dey behind the government.
Yes.
That time, you know, it be like say the thing when they tell us when we do the maths for calculator, it no work. So it can't be say that time they can't say this money no they go into this subsidy where they want pay, where they want stop to the pay. Now who pet in pockets they
You go enter.
Thank you.
that time now in the question they strong. Now people don't look again say okay this man this NNPC man tell us say no he no call am the regulation. He no call am. He no call am anything.
He no call am anything. That's why I'm
He
confused.
they call am palliative measures, sort of.
And
For
at
my
the time we
mind,
palliative measures, at the time we bring in.
considering the times where we dey, say okay, make him try no dey put suffering for people or body. Now NLC come out say, come out say, na lie, e no go work. The distrust just stay too much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
It dey too much. Where we say people no really believe.
Thank you.
We be say yes, people.
When
no
we say
really
people,
believe.
no really
people,
believe.
once they open mouth
no
like
talk
this,
say na-
once they open mouth, now different promise.
Yes.
We will make the sun shine
Yes.
by 7
So
p.m.
people no
Hey.
You don't do.
Now rain dey fall, sun dey shine, harmattan dey at the same time. We don't even understand.
We all champion the cause.
Don't you and who?
Last year to at least make a new government come. Everybody was involved. So why we say now you can't dey pick on me as if now me
Because
carry am
I'm
for head
speaking
pass?
for the people.
I am also
as
speaking
a
for the
comrade.
people. We
As a comrade.
had a larger number of people there where we say that supported change, that wanted change. But I wrote that no such said wanted the change.
We
Thank you very
all
much.
of us
Thank you very much. There's a difference between change. There's a difference between change and say person.
Chukudi,
Things the hot
carry
person.
us enter the next major territory. Forget all these ones where they talk. You don't do
Okay,
it.
Mrs. Rhoda, I know say this particular one, the thing go touch you well. And make we just enter inside this one because I know say it could be any story when get to do with girls, women.
They pain me
the thing dey always
seriously.
depend on well
Yes.
because of so many reasons. Now we don't see this Amina young lady now, and this Miss Sarah when we say they don't rescue now. But some people will be worried about the way when we say they take go about the whole system. in the sense say, like we talked before, somebody wey get experience as soldier and as civilian head of state, president, we don already talk and say, e go hard make dem see these girls, all these kind of things. E come be like say we no put certain things down already. Because immediately dem find the girl, they discover say, in fact, the first tweet wrong name. They tweet one name, say na the girl name. Later, they come, im mama come and talk, say, no be im name be this. Then they drive the girl for convoy, go meet governor with Pikin. Flyer go meet Presido with Pikin. Then they spread the picture up and down. He get one picture when he even hold jollof rice when he be like say the tomato no even go round.
You know that.
Meat dey that picture.
Meat no even dey again.
No talk am. We go talk am here. We
They
say
come put
everybody
the
say
picture.
no meat.
Maybe
Na just ordinary raw rice just dey chop.
They take the
She don't chop the meat before
Maybe,
the chop.
we don't know.
No.
Miss Soda, I go like make we just look this particular issue now. When Oga Presido meet her and the Pikin, in contact say the federal government from that very day now say they go take care of the education of that girl till she finish. That one don't show the importance of say these children they need education. But we can check am. If the foundation we will get no even good.
No fit spread round.
Which education they even talk about in the first place? China said they go carry this girl, go out, go for further study because schools, Boko Haram Jaguda people don't destroy them. The one where they don't even destroy self, teacher no even day. Chairs no even day. So what we go fit do now? Start from education because if we get the confidence, say these girls them go come back home. They don't go just come back home, we just keep them. Begin to spread their picture up and down, they snap picture up and down. They go enter school first. They go do things to use command their mind from the 2 years bad experience when they
clear up
get.
that thought.
Where will they go from here? Now the question be that.
As I hear the news, I did very happy. And why are they happy? Because it become at one point it be like say they hopeless. Because many people again no believe say this thing really
Nah, they
happen.
read, yes.
So this one tell us say at least give us example say truly
So truth. Girls they missing.
there were girls where they missing.
Very true.
So that's one side. We don't cover that part. This girl don't come out. I mean, I don't come out tell us say them they. So, but the second thing we say now where we then they work hard to try to get them. I don't know the circumstances where they use find her. I don't know how. I don't read. They try to get the piece them together, but it never clear very
Fitting.
well. Never fit clocking very well for me. But the point be say yes, go take them go. You want take her, do give welfare, do all of those things. But the truth be say this whole pictures where would they see? To my mind though, you know really they necessary. As much as possible, I fulfill say we for protect the image
identity.
or the identity of this person. But make we look and say they fit protect them in quotes. They fit protect them. But the point be say when we get this kind of discovery, not be education first be the real issue. Education, then we go take them.
Later.
The real education, now the one which you go experience from the changes which don't happen to her.
Yes.
The ones where we say she go need psychological
Psychological
help,
address, yes.
counselor, constant. This girl they missing for 2 years. This girl they missing for 2 years
Very
now.
true.
It go take a long time before she go fit in back into society and into her lifestyle. So she go need a lot of counselors. She will need an education, psychologist, people where go they go there get remedy and therapies every time for her, so that she go. This man where then catch him, where they see you say na your husband. Now really her husband? We need to ask that question. Then I be like so then they
But according to this thing, there are different news ways surround the particular man. Some talk say somehow they also see the man for this thing. Say the man also they missing. You don't see them together. They see them separately. But Madam Rhoda, what you go happen? We say this matter you go still continue with about because we need to do it. We need to allow you go drink small water.
Okay.
They come back. When we go for this break, when we come back, we'll continue the matter.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.